So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HT current user. Then you want to expand software. Then you want to expand policies. And now you want to expand Microsoft. And then once you've expanded Microsoft, you now want to find a folder called Microsoft Edge. If you do not have it, then you want to right click on Microsoft and then click on new and then click on key. You want to call it Microsoft Edge. Click on enter. Make sure they use the same spelling, capitals and lowercase as I did. And make sure that there's no space between Microsoft and Edge. And then once you have the Microsoft Edge folder, you want to expand it and then find a folder called main. If you do not have it, then you want to right click on Microsoft Edge and then click on new and then click on key. You want to call this main. Again, same capitals and lowercase and then click on enter. Now you want to click on the main folder and now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that you're in the main folder now. And then once we're here, you want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on dword 32-bit value. You want to call this allow in private. Again, same spelling, capitals and lowercase and then click on enter. And now we're going to double click on it. Make sure that you have the value data in this box set to 0, which will now disable it. If you want to enable it though, you want to change it to 1. However, I'm sure that you came here to disable it, so you're going to change this to 0. Make sure in this box right here it says number 0 and then click on OK. And now you just want to restart your computer and then you should be good to go.